Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. The importance of research design cannot be overstated when it comes to generating precise and dependable results. If the research design is subpar, it can lead to inferior results and compromise the reliability of the research, hindering your ability to publish your findings. In this video, we will examine the typical errors that result in substandard research design. Let's begin. Why is research design so important? Publishing high-quality research is essential for researchers in academia. It plays a crucial role in securing funding for research projects and advancing the understanding of a specific topic within the field. A well-designed research plan is essential for achieving precise, valuable, and important outcomes, laying a solid groundwork for your project. For example, a carefully constructed research strategy empowers you to streamline data analysis, address key areas of interest, and establish efficient decision-making processes. Focusing on research design from the beginning helps avoid significant problems later in the research process. This approach not only allows for thorough organization of the research process and the generation of precise results but also simplifies the establishment of appropriate benchmarks for future projects. Common flaws of poor research design. 1. Ethical implications. In your research design, it's essential to mention how you minimize risk for study participants. At the same time, you must also ensure that you successfully address the research question or problem effectively. Otherwise, the validity and objectivity of the research may be questioned. 2. Invalid theoretical framework. A theoretical framework allows you to construct a logical basis for your study. Without a comprehensive logical hypothesis, it's difficult to test a logical hypothesis. It's also important to ensure that your research has basic postulates and assumptions that can be tested by others. Otherwise, your research design may be flawed. 3. Non-specific. Researchers must ensure that their research design is concise and clear. Otherwise, the research design is not strong. 4. Lack of comprehensive literature review. A literature review compares your study and research work with existing research work on that subject. If you don't conduct a comprehensive literature review, it's difficult to identify gaps in information and overall research assumptions. Therefore, researchers may struggle at resolving those gaps. At the same time, the absence of a comprehensive literature review also makes it difficult to highlight the contributions of your research to a particular topic, because you don't challenge or assess existing literature or attempt to relate new information to existing information. 5. Improper statistical analysis. Studies must be scientifically proven, requiring proper statistical analysis. However, failing to do so degrades the quality of quantitative research. As a result, it significantly degrades the quality of your experiment and makes it difficult to extract meaningful interpretations. 6. Unclear research problem. A comprehensive research design consists of a clear research problem. If your problem statement is not clear, it will be difficult for you to construct the framework for developing meaningful research questions address the core issue. 7. Research limitations. All studies have limitations in some shape or form. As a researcher, it's your responsibility to understand those limitations and incorporate them into your research design and findings. Consider adding a statement in your manuscript that addresses possible limitations. It would help if you add them in your conclusion. 8. Research instruments and techniques. What kind of tools are you using for research? Is the data relevant and updated? Does your research leverage the most trusted and reliable surveys? As a researcher, you must define relevant techniques and instruments in detail. Consider explaining how you are using them to address the research problem or question. 9. Poor sampling. Sampling errors lead to biased conclusions in various ways. It is one of the most common flaws in research design. For instance, proximity sampling is a sampling error where the researcher only collects data from subjects who are easily accessible. Conclusions derived from poor sampling techniques are considered faulty and weak. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.